All right. Hello and welcome to the Playful Souls Summit. I'm so excited to be here and to be doing this. I'm also really nervous. Um, but I'm just talking to people I love, so it's going to be a great day. And so today we're going to be just talking to, and if you're watching the recordings of these, we're going to be talking to four amazing people who I think really embody play within their life and have also gone through the ups and downs of times when they weren't able to access play or joy or things like that and have come out the other side or might still be in those times, but I think have valuable contributions about the value of play in life. And we're going to, I think, hear a diverse experience of what play can be. It's a little bit different for everyone. For me, I think it's anything that makes like done purely for fun, not without any like productivity agenda or anything like that. Just something done purely for fun that makes you feel lighter, freer, more joyful, and that's going to look different for everyone. So I'm so excited. It's going to be a really great day. I hope you all enjoy these interviews. And if you want more play in your life, I'm offering a Power of Play 4-week workshop that'll start at the end of November. And you can find the link to that in my Instagram bio or Facebook bio, wherever you're watching this. And that's going to be really cool. And I'll be sharing more about that later in the week. But yeah, so I'm going to hop off of this now and we're going to start Molly's interview in a second here and get the day going. It's going to be fun. Bye. See you there.